Good morning, guys! Welcome to another day here in Hanoi. So right now we're here in the streets of Hanoi and we're looking for some local clothes or some traditional clothes that we can buy and wear. So here's some couple of shops. So let's see what we can find today. The girls are picking some clothes right now. Hello, Danica. Did you choose anything?
No, wala nang size.
Oh,
Taba
okay.
ako.
Trisha bought something. So, on to the next stop.
On you.
Oh, that looks nice. What is this called, Dan?
This is called the modernized long dress,
Modernized long dress. Looks dope, looks dope.
or in Vietnamese it's called áo dài. Áo dài cách tân.
Okay, take them. Okay, okay. Looks good on me, I guess. I love yellow as well, so I think I'll pick this one. We just got our traditional clothes. We paid 1.1 million dong for our traditional clothes. So let's check the exchange rates because I have no idea how much we just spent. Alright, so we almost spent $50, which is around 2,000 pesos, I guess. Not bad. Right now we're having dinner, guys, and let's let Anne show how to eat the food here because I have no idea how to eat it.
Firstly, we have the noodle paper. I don't know if this one is the correct term for that. Sorry, guys. Next, we have a little bit of herbs, and this is pineapple slice. This one is banana, but green banana. This one is like cucumber, and you put the meat on it. Don't put too much, it will break. And then roll it tight. So here's the tofu sauce. The tofu sauce. In Vietnam we call it chow. Can you say it?
Ciao.
Chow, right? Okay, let's dip it. For you.
Alright. Okay. Let me try. What's this called?
Dê nướng.
Vietnam.
Dê nướng. This one is dê nướng.
I love Vietnamese food. Time to move to Vietnam. Alright, guys, after a long day of shopping, but we didn't buy anything. We're gonna eat some Vietnamese snacks. So, what's this? Muklan. This one's called Muklan.
Oh, muklan.
This is Ban Tran Tron Kwon. I have no idea how to pronounce this. Ban Tran Tron Kwon. Based on the picture, it says it's shrimp. And we got mukrimi. This is squid again. It looks like banana chips though. Okay, what's this? Bantrang, mamrok. What is this? I'm so sorry to all the Vietnamese people out there because I know I'm pronouncing this all very wrong. We got Alpenliebe. This is German, guys. This is German. I don't know why this is German. It means Alps, then love. Alpen is Alps, then Liebe is love. Bangkorn? A Bangkong?
Kom. Like this, you see the letter A. Kom.
Which one should we try first? Okay.
This looks tasty.
Kang.
Banta.
Game.
Game? Oh, it's shrimp. I think this would be something good to eat while drinking. Yeah.
I rate this 7 out of 10. Kasi nag-expect ako.
Don't expect too much.
Low expectations, less disappointments. Life lessons.
Kaya ba?
Ay, ang lansa.
Itsura niya. Pwede si Nevz na lang
Parang ayoko siya tikman.
No, it's just a smell.
No!
Smell it.
Parang masarap naman, pero...
I think it's spicy.
It's just that the smell is really strong. Oh,
Dried squid.
oh, it's dried squid. Okay.
And then it has like sauce.
Yeah, it has sauce. It looks like banana chips.
Okay, game.
Alright.
Nabiday ka. Ang hirap.
It's so hard to chew.
Yeah, I have braces.
It's so hard to chew.
I rate this 6 out of 10 because it's hard to chew. But it's good. It's spicy.
Yeah. 5.
5, ikaw.
5. So hard to chew. I'm still not done yet. Okay, we got... How you call it, Danica?
Ban?
Ban?
Tarang?
Trang?
Trong? Ban?
Ban?
Tarang?
Tang? Trong?
Trong.
Kong?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
All I know how to pronounce is banh mi.
I think it's spicy too.
Everything is spicy.
Yeah. Are Vietnamese into spicy food? Wow. Wow. Thank you, ah.
Ayoko na. Anong tikim yan? It's like a paper.
Mukha siyang plastic.
Game?
Game.
1, 2, 3.
Am I eating plastic? It's actually not that bad. But it's hard to chew.
I mean, it's okay. It's just that the texture is really weird.
But this is good.
It's like a plastic and then
And then it dissolves in
Yeah.
your mouth.
Yeah.
even if you don't move your tongue like this lang. Also 5. 5.
5.
6.
It's really weird in your
Yeah,
inside
it's
your
like
mouth.
super weird in the mouth. Let's try this one. Danica bought this one, so... How do we open in the Philippines, Danica? How?
Show them, show them.
How do... Wait.
Ah, this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So in the Philippines, we open it like this, guys. When we are drinking, we open it like this.
Ah.
Aha, okay.
Ah.
Yeah, okay. Ah. And now, we can eat and drink.
Let's go!
I rate this 8.
This would be definitely something I would eat with when I'm drinking. Yeah. Where's the red horse?
Red horse versus soju.
So what's next? Bancom.
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 Bancom. It's like a rice cake.
It smells good.
Go. Bite.
Go bite. Aso. Bite.
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 Rah. Rah.
No!
Why me first?
This is your content.
Wow. They're just trying to see if I won't die from this.
Wow.
Is it good?
I'm trying to figure out the taste. It tastes familiar. Pero parang siyang biko.
It's like biko in the Philippines. 7 for me.
For me, 8.5.
7.
Sabay.
8.5. Hulaan naman natin kung anong lasa nito. Matamis.
Oh my god.
Sour.
This is definitely sour.
I think this is...
I think this is sour, for sure.
Oh! Okay.
It smells like sampalok. Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Ah, tamarind.
Yeah. Oh. Tamarind.
Oh! Oh! Now I smell the... Now smell it. Now I taste the spice. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it for our Vietnamese food tasting. Alright guys, that's it for our Vietnamese snack tasting. So as you can see, we love this the most. This one, whatever it's called, we love this. And This one, I like this one.
Yeah, me too. Same.
It's really good.
Thank you so much, Gosu Gamers, for bringing us here. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good
Chi-chi.
night.
Good night.
Night. Energy!